Welcome to watch the demonstration of Jingdong Crawler Excavator. JG75L Crawler Excavator. JG75L Tracked Excavator provides comprehensive and mature techniques. The imported KYB, or Doosan, dual-speed walking motor, and Xinjiang multi-tandem valve lead to the popularity of this compact excavator in small and medium-scale construction sites. This mini crawler excavator can handle with various terrible and complex grounds due to the 400mm wide track, which ensures high stability and excellent holding performance.